A spread is the difference between the ask price and the bid price. For example, if the euro to US dollar is trading with an ask price of 1.1401 and a bid price of 1.14, then the spread will be the ask minus the bid price, in this case 0.0001. So a spread of 0.0001 is equal to 1 pip. For yen-based currencies like US dollar, Japanese yen, the spread is again the difference between the ask and the bid price. So if the Japanese yen to US dollar is trading with an ask price of 120.42 and a bid price of 120.40, then the spread will be 0.02. In this case, the spread of 0.02 is equal to 2 pips. Stay tuned for other titles in this series. They're on the way.